Constraints in Oracle. Constraints are validation rules that are applied on columns in a table. Now we study different types of constraint. First one is not null constraint. If we set this constraint in a column, then the user cannot enter null values of that column. The user must enter a value in that column. Example, in a student table, the roll number is set as not null constraint. Suppose if the user does not enter the value of roll number, the Oracle displays error message. Check constraint. This constraint is used to limit the range of values of a column. In this example, the roll number is set as check constraint. So the user can enter the roll number between 1 to 50. If the user enters beyond the range, then Oracle displays error message. Next, specifying default values of a column. In this example, the default value of the column city is Thuthukudi. This helps the user to avoid to enter Thuthukudi for each time in a column. Next, unique constraint. If we set this constraint in a column, then the user cannot enter duplicate values in a column. Only unique values are allowed. In this example, the roll number is set as unique constraint. If the user tries to enter some roll number for 2 students, then Oracle displays error message. Next, primary key constraint. This constraint is defined as a column where each value is unique and identifies a single row of the column. In this example, the roll number is set as primary key constraint. Foreign key constraint. This constraint is set to a column of a table. The foreign key column value is derived from primary key column. The table in which primary key is defined is parent table, and the table in which foreign key is defined is child table. Some features of primary key and foreign key column. Primary key column cannot accept duplicate values, whereas foreign key column can accept. Primary key cannot accept null values, whereas foreign key can accept. The value of foreign key column must be present in primary key column, otherwise whenever user tries to enter value in foreign key column, Oracle displays error. To perform update or delete operations on primary key column, the corresponding foreign key column does not present any values, otherwise Oracle displays error message. Primary key of primary table is automatically attached to foreign key of foreign table. If we set delete cascade, then delete operation in parent table will trigger delete operation in child table.